We're here at EASD 2024, and I'm here with a very special guest. Go ahead and introduce to people who you are.
My name is Deeksha, and I've been living with type 1 diabetes for the last 24 years. I am a counseling psychologist who primarily works with people who are undergoing distress and burnout specific to type 1 diabetes or any type of diabetes for that matter of fact, including caregivers as well.
Okay, and you are part of DDOC and a DDOC Voice, and what does that mean to you?
I think it's an honor and a privilege to be a DDOC voice because you get to learn so much from the community across the globe, and you got to pay it forward to your own ecosystem in your own country. So I am from India, I'm from Bharat, so namaste, and really looking forward to knowing things from other cultures, getting knowledge from other communities, and just passing it on to my community.
Now, I know we spoke a little bit off camera, and some things in India that have been issues are access to insulin, and then also just health equity in general to technology. What are some things that you're looking forward to kind of pushing that to kind of change the narrative of what that looks like?
हमारे पास एक्सेस ऑफ इंसुलिन जो है बहुत ही लिमिटेड लोगों के पास है. इट्स अ प्रिविलेज टू बाय इंसुलिन. आउट ऑफ पॉकेट एक्सपेंडिचर है. सो इट्स I think the action needs to come from government now, that they need to make insulin and the consumables, which are your test strips, your sensors, CGMs, needles, more accessible to people, and it should not just be limited to an out-of-pocket expenditure. सबको access होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, especially if you're living with type 1 diabetes. So yeah, that's something that I really want to push forward. That's one action point that my community, the foundation that I work with, has been taking forward in every conversation that we have had with either policymakers, core community members, and other organizations as well.
And leaving and wrapping from EASD 2024, what was like a very, important session or something that struck out to you through the sessions, maybe through some of the symposiums, or even some of your diabetes advocates that you've been able to talk to? What are some things that you are going to like maybe take back home with you?
I think the diversity मुझे DDOC में देखने को मिली है, that has been one of its kind. In terms of symposium, the DDOC symposium where I spoke stood out to me the most because इतनी powerful narratives community से आना और globally community से आना, it was wonderful. It was one of a lifetime experience for me, and I request everyone who is watching this to please go and watch the DDOC symposium for EASD 2024. And just knowing all of you as DDOC voices is a big takeaway in itself. I think उसको summarize करना बहुत ही एक concentrated way में would be very difficult, but just knowing all of you is a privilege. All the DDOC voices on site and virtually as well.
Hey, well, you heard it here first. We want to thank you. We appreciate you.
Thank you so much, Brandon.
Absolutely.